The representatives of the Y Farmers Cooperative, executive management of ESCO Motors, members of the media, and Bulvinaka, and a very good afternoon to all of you. Pleased to be here today to officiate the handing over of the tractor to Y Farmers Cooperative of Ra. Ideally, so we would have loved to have traveled down to Ra, to the farm and the home of the cooperative, to actually hand over this tractor, but despite the current situation, our work must go on. Today's handing over, ladies and gentlemen, of the tractor is evidence of resilience and tenacity of the Y Farmers Cooperative. The vigor to continue their lives and earn a livelihood is applaudable. And goods need to be delivered, and farms need to be plowed, and produce has to be harvested, and you all are focused on ensuring that you're able to actually achieve the best. That is why we are here today, to hand over the tractor to Y Farmers Cooperative, and we understand that they have been eagerly awaiting the tractor to make your work more efficient, and also in line with what's being handed out by the Ministry of Agriculture. Ladies and gentlemen, today's handover is yet again a result of the partnership and collaboration between the Fijian government and Y Farmers Cooperative. The Y Farmers, which started as a group of farmers in 2009, is actually now a fully fledged legal and registered cooperative. In order to grow their business, they took a bold step to actually apply for the Integrated Human Resources Development Program funding. And in fact, the cooperatives made a cash contribution of more than $18,000, and the ministry contributed through IHRTB DP close to about 56 to acquire this particular tractor. This is a level of commitment and partnership we want from our stakeholders. By contributing towards the cost of the tractor, Y Farmers have not only shown commitment, but they've taken ownership and responsibility of the asset. And I congratulate them for doing so. I'm told that the cooperative actually consists of about 42 farmers belonging to the Matangali Y in Burnitu village in Ra, and they collectively own over 600 acres of land. It is understood that they currently have cassava, banana, dalo, pineapples, kumala, and ginger farms. And I take my hat off to them. Congratulations. I'm sure the tractor will mechanize and modernize your farms and make your task more efficient. It'll boost your income and allow you to support your families better. It can send your children to universities, renovate your homes, and build a better life. Ladies and gentlemen, the ministry believes that with our continuous support, we can expect bigger and better things to come from this particular cooperative. And it's a great shining example to other cooperatives around the country. This is just the beginning of the support from the ministry, and we will assist the cooperative through skills training and business guidance. This will place Y Farmers Cooperative in a better position to access more finance, more technical expertise, and more training. This will also give them the opportunity to enter into contracts and expand their operations and hopefully one day become major exporters. Y Farmers Cooperative is an excellent example of how resource owners can put their assets to good use. And they're able to capitalize on the Fijian government's assistance and livelihood program for the betterment of their business and their families in the community. This is why I strongly encourage other cooperatives and groups to step out of their comfort zones and come forward and apply for the grant assistance, such as the IHRDP. The expressions of interest have been advertised in the papers and social media, and this will be closing on the 17th of September 2021. With the aim of creating more employment and reducing poverty in rural and peri-urban areas, we've seen how the IHRDP program has transformed communities and improved their livelihoods. Y Farmers Cooperative is just another example. Ladies and gentlemen, last but not least, I want to take this opportunity also to say thank you to ESCO Motors. Thank you very much, Nawalev, for being part of this journey. And I'm sure that there are further opportunities we can explore and discuss later. With those few words, thank you very much. Vinawale.